Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about solar structure design from Start Pro. So let's start. First of all, get new project. Look it, enter the new project, then go to space and set the millimeter and also kilogram. Then go to next. Yes, then finish. Here you can see that this is Start Pro background. First of all, I get set the here see this view presentation. If you front view, back view, side, right, top, bottom, isometric. When I get front view, this is front view. If you want to change the distance, here you see this 0 to 10 and 0 to 10. X direction is 0 to 10 and Y direction is 0 to 10, but I want get increase. So here this is the grid right now. If I edit this grid, they are here, see this, I will go to change 40 and right now this is 50. So see here 50 and 40. If I change the 10, so they are come to 500. Then again I will go to Y direction, so let's 50 again. So now see 0 to 500 and 0 to 500, their distance between 50 50 50 50. So let's start from create the line. So first of all, start this point and go to this point, and also again taking this line here, and now this grid line I will go to hide here. So click the grid line and apply the joint basically, but again I will show you grid line. So here you can see that if I start the point right and joint anywhere particular line, I have got to join. So click this, so now this grid line has go to extra, so I get delete here. So look at this one is node cursor, so select this node and go to delete. Yes, and see this here, if I go to delete this node cursor, so here the node right now, when start point and go to and also get joint. So add point and okay. So here if I change the particular side, when again I will show you the line has been go to joint this point and start from to join this point. Same thing again, show you start from this point to this point. So look at this. This is the isometric view and this is called front view. When I go to pattern here, so first of all let's go this pattern transitional repeating. When go to transitional repeating, then distance I will go to provide 350. I will go to provide the distance. When I choose the number of quantity 3 and 250, I also get 250, and again show you 250. So see, this number of joint has been created, and we will go to Z direction. And first of all this is the link step, and go to select this whole diagram. So when select this whole diagram, then go to OK. So if I look at this isometric view, see, this isometric view is 4 panel, and if you not the required, so look at here, this whole diagram has been isometric form and panel form. So let's I don't want this particular this joint, so if you go to select and delete here, if I don't want this line, and I also don't want this line. So now see this here, again I will don't want, so delete here this line and this line. So here the isometric view, okay, in solar panel. When I will choose the section here, so go to journal, and this is the database section. When I get select this whole database section, I will choose from so click this database section, and I want get Indian, and first of all I will choose from the pipe here. The pipe is different diameter available. If you want to user define, so we will get the particular here, but otherwise you will select this, okay. So I get 100 dia and apply. Same thing, I want channel rafter here like tube, so I get tube is number of tube 65, okay. 72 I want get number of tube. Then channel is also taking us, so again I get channel here ISMC 75 75. And now we will find the square supporting pipe. So supporting pipe is there less than the 2042, apply. So here section database has been go to select, and I get select this whole diagram. So let's select and go to pipe. This is pipe selection, and I will go to right here, and this one is vertical. This is the purling right now, and I get select ISMC and select this one is X direction. So let's first of all go to pipe here and select this one, and also get select and here, and go to assign. When we will go to assign here, and okay, you can see this assign. Then also again I will show you the support pipe. So select this one, this line to this line. So this is called support pipe. So assign this support pipe. Okay, then also get assign here. Now I get rafter to select here. This one is going to be rafter, right? So here the square tube rafter, I get select this rafter. Okay, now this I have go to select this square tube rafter and I go to assign here. Okay, then also last of thing is purling here ISMC channel. So I get select this whole selection. We are go to direct select here, and this one is Y direction. Okay, this one is going to be Z direction. This whole purling has been one time to select and go to apply. So this is complete for panel structure. When I will show you 3D model, let's see this. Our 3D model is change for diagram. This one has been selected from 3D model in Start Pro. If I want to change the particular channel and member according to distance, so this is the 3D model, and if I go to change the particular size and everything, so easy way as go to maintain. So today has complete the session in Start Pro solar panel structure design.